I'm up next. I'm gonna steal again. You look stylish.
Yeah, you look like this guy. Oh yeah. That's so cool. It's like walking around like this.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Hi guys, welcome back. This week is the week before Christmas. I'm going to visit my oldest brother and spend the holidays with my family. It's Tuesday and this week has already been insanely busy, but yesterday we went to the mall and sort of went our own ways. We wanted to start buying presents for our team members, managers, agents, stuff like that. So I actually did a lot of packing up today and sort of organizing gifts. This video is just going to be kind of like a compilation of this week, sort of prepping for Christmas, all that stuff. Like I said, we went shopping yesterday and I, of course, had my own self agenda and wanted to pick up a few things for myself in my trip. I realized that, number one, I love sweaters, and number two, I don't have enough sweaters. I have a lot of crew necks and hoodies and sort of casual wear, but I don't have a lot of like nice sweaters like this. Starting off with this one, I'm obsessed with this color, literally the color of our dog, so maybe that's why. Side note, I've been really into turtlenecks and having my necklaces lay on my sweater. I just think it looks so cute and classy and sophisticated. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Zara first. This sweater is cropped and it kind of cinches in a little bit. It looks great with jeans. The stitching is really nice and it's very soft. Very, very impressed. I also got the same exact sweater in this cream ivory color. Oh my god, these are so soft. It's unbelievable. These were $40. And then I also got duplicates of another sweater just because I loved the fit. I spotted this one first. It's a beautiful lilac color, sort of cropped again, and then it has the tighter sleeves at the bottom, and also the v-neck is super fun. And then also got it in like a white ivory, which I think is so Christmassy with a red lip. Oh my god. This was a bit of, I wouldn't say outside of my comfort zone, but definitely just kind of winged it with this one. Didn't even try it on. They are faux leather black pants that taper, thinner at the bottom, and yeah, they just look like that. Surprisingly, they fit great. I got these in an extra small and they are $39. The last thing I got from Zara is my favorite thing that I'm showing you guys. I was trying to look for like a camel, kind of this color, a little bit more beige. I was trying to find like a thick, nice, long camel coat. I saw a few from Aritzia that were great, but the one that I wanted didn't come in my size, or they didn't have it, and the rest were kind of meh. Tried to find it at Zara and I found something instead, similar color palette but way different, and I'm really glad that I got this because it is fully a blanket as a jacket. I love it. Let me put it on. I wore it last night. We had like a little date night last night, so there's like double buttons and it goes pretty long. I'm excited for this to be like my London jacket. It's so fuzzy, you guys. It's so soft. This jacket was only $150, which is incredible because the jacket that I was looking at Aritzia was like $500, and then I found this for $150. Amazing. I did get two things from Aritzia. The first one being another sweater. This one is like an oatmeal color. It has a beautiful wide turtleneck that kind of slouches in the most effortless way. A good old good old oatmeal sweater. And then also I got some jeans. These are from Girlfriend Denim. I think I may have had really similar ones, but your girl's been slimming down and toning up. So I needed to get a pair of blue jeans that were in my size because all my jeans right now just don't fit the right way. It's in a between phase, which is really annoying because you're like, well, should I be getting new sizes? I don't know. But anyways, I got these beautiful wide-legged blue jeans. They're frayed at the bottom and they look so good on the butt. These look awesome with this jacket as well. It looks very funky. I got two things from Reformation recently. The first one being this black sweater, but it fits as tight as a shirt and has these gorgeous sleeves. Oh my God, the most flattering sweater in the entire world. So stoked about it. I'm sweating. Let me take this off. Also needed to get some black jeans that fit me. I kind of wish that they didn't have this star in the back. Not that I hate it, but I just wanted like a simple pair of black jeans, but it's fine. The fit of these is wonderful. They are just kind of like washed out black jeans, almost a dark gray, and they just shoot straight down. One of my favorite fits and styles of jeans. I am really going through like an anti-skinny jean phase, unless you're wearing like the right shoes for it. That's everything that I got recently and I'm excited. Oh, and you know what? Shout out to XLE, Lauren Elizabeth's clothing line. Her holiday drop is phenomenal. I've been wearing everything. So I also wanted to show this sweater real quick. It's got the fun sleeves and a great turtleneck size, and I've already worn this probably 3 times and I've owned it for like a week. Quick little equipment nerdy moment. I got these new studio lights. I only used one just now, but I saw Chris Clemens using these when I came over to film his video with him. I loved how compact and small these are. You just fold down the flaps and then fold this all together. My lights before this were softbox lights and they were just really big and bulky and harder to carry around, bring with you places. So I just wanted something more compact. And also it's awesome because you can add yellow into the color, or you can bring that down and have cool tone. So you can brighten up the cool and the yellow, and then obviously turn it off. This is what it looks like when it's all folded up. So I've just been placing it in this bin. I'm setting aside 9 cups of gluten-free Chex Mix cereal. Look who thinks I'm preparing food for her. You want some Chex Mix? 1 cup of Enjoy Life mini chips, semi-sweet. Ooh. 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Earth Balance, 1/4 cup. Yum. Chex are covered with butter, vanilla, chocolate, and peanut butter, and I just let them cool off in the fridge. If you add the powdered sugar right away, it's just going to absorb into the Chex Mix versus coating it, and so you kind of want them to like cool down. I'm gonna use this silicone bag and start taking a few handfuls, shaking them up, and then I'm probably going to put them in this jar. It's Billy's birthday tomorrow, and last Christmas I made a bunch of puppy chow for everyone. It was a hit. As far as I'm concerned, it's the only thing she wants this year. I think I'm gonna put, I had a different ribbon and I don't know where it went. I don't like how it's see-through. Pro tip, always cut your ribbons at an angle at the end, like that. Cute. I just stopped by Target and got a few Christmassy items. Obviously some gift wrapping, bags, tissue paper. I really liked all of these. I love like the tan beige look. And then of course a white and a black. So yeah, I'm excited about these. Lots of bags. I've been doing a lot of research and Nylabone seems to be a really good brand for tough chewers. So we're gonna try out this dinosaur shaped one and this big beef flavored toy. Some more squeaky tennis balls, a green ribbon, tape, 2 3-wick candles. They smell so good and we don't really have any Christmas candles. So I just wanted 2 that we can just burn for the rest of this month and get into the spirit as late as possible. And then also I decided to get some cute little stockings. And then I got these silver and wood stocking holders. Big life hack. I feel like this is the sort of thing that is just so adult of me to do. As you guys know, next week I'm flying to London. I need to check 2 bags because I'm bringing over Christmas presents. I plan on doing some shopping there. I'm gonna have a carry-on and like a personal item as well. So it's gonna be a lot. And I was talking with Phineas today and just figuring out, like, we're staying super far away. It's about like an hour away from Heathrow Airport. Anytime that I've done London travels for fun, which I don't even know if I have. I've definitely done Uber though, like maybe on the way back to the airport or something. Anyways, doesn't matter. I've done the whole Uber thing with Heathrow Airport, and at the end of the day, it's just as expensive as a car service. And I've always thought that like booking car services, I always thought that was too bougie for me. I was like, that's what old businessmen do, or that's what like happens if I'm traveling for a job or something. So I've never done it for myself. It just feels so extra. We were talking today and I was like, yeah, I have like extra bags, and then like, I just haven't done that in so long, and having to carry them, wait for the Uber on the curb, all this stuff. And he was like, why don't you just get yourself a car service? Like, it's not as much money as you think it is. Now, I'm just gonna show up to baggage claim. Someone's gonna have my name. He's gonna help me with my 2 checked bags. I'm gonna feel like a boss bitch. Phineas is really good at reminding me that there are things that you can do and pay for to make your life easier. I tend to get very overwhelmed and stressed. This is a great example of him being like, hello, you work hard. You can do this. Buy yourself a car service. So I think I'm literally going to order myself one for on my way home as well, from like Airbnb to Heathrow, just so that like my London travels are stress-free. Office is a mess right now. So many things on the floor. I just packed up some gifts for my agents, so we're done with that. I want to show you guys this quick PR care package that I got from this brand called The Foundationals. They started and they are based in Los Angeles. They're sustainably and ethically focused. 100% recycled yarn from Spain, ethically produced in Vietnam, and you're looking super cute while wearing them. They gave a little card to Manny. They gave a little gift to Peachy, a jar that says peaches. That's adorable. We're totally gonna put treats in there. Let's see what we have here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everything feels so nice. This is like a black long sleeve shirt with buttons. We've got purple. That's so funny. I literally just showed you guys that purple sweater. Good afternoon. Today's Thursday. Today's been such a good day. Like, the weather is great. This morning I had a callback for this like indie film. Crossing the fingers. That was this morning. That went great. Put me in a great mood. Came back home. Right now Manny is dropping Peaches off at our trainer's house because we're obviously leaving. It's nice to have her at our trainer's house so he can kind of, you know, whip her into shape a little bit. Some drama real quick. Doggy drama. We've taken her to a doggy daycare 3 times now. The first time was for 2 hours, like just a trial, and she was very spooked and scared, didn't know what to do, so she was like apparently just sleeping in the corner the whole time. And the second time she did better. She was only there for like 3 hours. It's basically just like a great way for us to like let her like play with other dogs, socialize, get her energy out, and we're able to work because quite frankly, she is a little monster during the day. She wants to put her nose into everything. It's very cute because she follows us everywhere, but yeah, you guys know. So we took her to daycare yesterday for like 4 hours or something. Manny dropped her off and Phineas picked her up. And when you pick up the dog, they give you like a bit of a report. The woman goes, yeah, so she is very playful. She got a little frisky and aggressive while playing, and Phineas was like, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, puppy energy, she's crazy. And she goes, yeah, my general manager is gonna call you later and kind of discuss more of the details and give a better report about it. First of all, haven't received a call yet. I straight up feel like a parent that's waiting for the principal to call me and tell me that my kid is suspended or in trouble or getting detention. I'm so scared that they're gonna call me and be like, your dog is a threat to the other dogs. She's too aggressive. We can't have her anymore. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe he's just gonna be like, listen, she needs to be trained more or like something. But yeah, the few times I checked up on her, like on the surveillance, like she definitely is running around, like jumping on dogs. Dogs are jumping on her. I think she just has chaotic energy, so all the other dogs are like
Oh, you want to play? Let's play.
Hello, you guys. Today I leave for London. I've pretty much just been packing and editing all day. I wanted to show you guys how I'm sort of bringing everything and organizing all of it before I end off today's vlog. This side has Christmas gifts for my family, and they're all sort of packed within each other. Some wrapping, some twinkle lights, of course, just in case if we need some spirit. I've got a jacket there. It's supposed to be raining, so I wanted to bring like a heavy duty sort of puffer jacket. Acting folder. In here we've got some shoes, hats, scarves, my toiletries, another bag. And then we've got all my clothing in here, mostly just pants, sweaters, and shirts to wear underneath the sweaters. This will be my overhead storage. I'm going to have all of my electronics in here. So right now it's not really filled up, but it's great because it has wheels. That will be fully packed. And then also this bag. At Lauren's White Elephant gift exchange, I won a Kindle, which I'm so excited about. I've got a book on there. You guys know I like to carry this base bag. It just has a hairbrush, deodorant, hair ties, moisturizer, stuff like that. I'm bringing a keep cup, to-go cup for water, beverages. There's a pouch in here that has more stuff, and yeah, we're keeping it pretty light and easy. Bringing that coat with me. Here are some electronics. I'm going to attempt to do some droning. We'll see how that goes. For the past hour, I've just been sitting in bed editing, kind of waiting for everything to charge. I don't know if I ever ended up showing you guys what the final result was for our tree. I used this gold sparkly ribbon and just wrapped the tree around with it. Just used all of the bulbs we had. I also added little candy canes. Very pleased, and I will say we ended up having the color lights on way more often than the white ones. I actually want to switch it right now because I'm so curious. Wow, just as cute. Oh my god. Yep, and now I remember why I love white lights. Yep, got it. Cool.